Okay guys, today we're working on step 18. What we're going to do is cleco the left and the right skin to the elevator. That's all we do. We're going to cleco it together and we'll go ahead and get started on that. Alright guys, just finished step 18. Clecoed the elevator skins on. This is the bottom left side here. Inspection panel for the trim motor. But starting to come together. The elevator's got skins on it. For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, Brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Step 18 took 1 hour 30 minutes. Total time on the empennage 61 hours 30 minutes. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.